parents and students of NCE. My name is Mrs. Crosby and I am the art teacher here at NCE, and you are in the art room. I just want to welcome you to the 2020-21 school year, and I want to share with you a little bit about what we're going to be doing this year in the art room. Well, first of all, art is a great way to express your ideas and to just communicate all the things that are in your mind, and you can share them with other people. I love art because you can travel through art as well. So we're going to be exploring various cultures through art. We're also going to be taking a look at the elements of art: line, shape, form, color, texture, value, space, all of those things that make up art. We'll be learning how to become better users of those elements. In addition, we're going to make some connections with other disciplines like science and math and literature, because this is a STEAM school. And we're all about growing our minds and making connections with not just the things that we have in our hands, but with the greater world. Another thing that we're going to be doing in the art classroom is we're going to be exploring the use of different materials called media, like crayons, paints, pastels, all of those things that you might be aware of. We're going to be learning different techniques so that we can create beautiful works of art that we can cherish for a lifetime. And what else will we be doing? Well, I do want to share with you what's in our classroom. Our space has changed just a little bit since you last saw it. So let's go ahead and take a tour of the art room right now. I also want to mention that we're going to be doing our very absolute best to be safe in this environment in these days and times. We will have sanitation going on at all times, and I will definitely be encouraging students to keep their hands washed and cleaned, and we will make sure that supplies are personalized. So that's what I want to talk about now. Parents, I would like for you to have your children have their own markers, color pencils, erasers, and scissors and glue. If you've already purchased those for your general ed classroom, that's perfectly fine. They can just use that in a little pouch and bring it to the art room. We really want to be safe as much as possible. This year in art, I have Google Class pages, and I've divided them up by grade levels. We have pre-K and kindergarten Google Class page. We have first and second grade. We have third grade by themselves, and fourth and fifth grade. On these pages, parents and students, you will be able to access lessons that we're working on. I will upload videos every now and then with some messages to you so you'll know what's going on throughout the school year. That is my brief introduction of what you can expect in the art classroom this year. If you have any questions, just go to the art webpage on our school website. I've left my number, schedule, and office hours there, and you can contact me during those times. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.